In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore your phone with iTunes. So for this, you're going to need your phone, obviously, and then you're going to need a PC, laptop, anything like that, and just go ahead and download the iTunes application for it. Then you're obviously going to need a USB wire or anything like that. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application, click your name at the very top, then go to iCloud. Once you're in iCloud, go to iCloud backup and make sure that backup this iPhone and backup over mobile data are both turned on. On the bottom, it's going to show all device backups as well. So just make sure that it's being backed up. Now, all I want to go ahead and do is go ahead and connect my phone with, my wire or anything like that to my PC or laptop with iTunes enabled. My iPhone should then be recognized, and then the backup should also be displayed on iTunes. So let's say my phone got factory reset or anything like that. All I got to do is go on my PC and then click on my, the phone once it's in iTunes. So click on it inside of the application itself. And then once I go ahead and do that, what I got to do is just go ahead. It's going to ask me if I want to restore the iPhone and the iOS version. And then it's going to show that iTunes is restoring the software. And then just wait for that to be done. It could take a while depending on, the phone that you have or how much storage is on the backup. And then that's it. You'll be good to go.